The bicycle holder is suitable for 1 1/4 inch and 2-inch tow bar units. To change the trailer hitch unit, remove the bracket, then tighten the screws and insert the lock striker into the hole. Release the lock and fold down the bracket until it clicks into place. Lock the bracket in the lowered position using the screws. Unlock and loosen the knob. Slide the bike holder bracket into the trailer hitch unit. Insert the lock striker into the hole on the trailer hitch unit. Press in the lock striker until you hear a click. Push the lock piston into the knob and lock it with the installation key. Using the second key, unlock the knob so that it can be turned. Tighten the knob firmly. Try to move the bike holder to make sure it is firmly attached. Tighten the knob if needed, and once firmly in place, lock the knob with the key. Lift the catch to fold the bike holder up. Release the catch and click the arm into place. Position the bicycle onto the holder with the front of the bike facing the passenger side of the car. Be sure to place the heaviest bicycle closest to the vehicle. Secure the bike frame using the long rubber straps. Use one of the shorter rubber straps to tighten. Use the tensioning strap to stabilize the bicycles. To lock the bikes into place, insert the lock striker into the hole on the end of the bicycle holder arm. Stretch the strap cover over the bike frame. Click it into the slot above the lock striker and lock using the key. Your bike holder is now installed and ready to use. To open the tailgate with the bicycle holder mounted, lift the catch and tilt the bike holder forward.